Good morning, everyone. This is Moses from Urban Backyard Container Gardening, and this is just a little quick tour of what's going on my property. So, if you have been following me, and hopefully you have, you know that I have two GreenStalk planters. I unloaded just about everything in both of them and planted some new plants, and I did that yesterday. I have some cabbages and some peppers in this one, and I'll show you the other one momentarily. Here I have jambalaya okra. Hopefully it'll come up. Actually, it started to come up, so it should be doing well. And here I have more okra. This is, let's see what the thing says. Dwarf long green okra here. Um, more, another pepper here, Tabasco, I believe. And I have my bell peppers. I have my zucchini, black beauty zucchini, sun pan, sunburst rather, patty pan squash that I did yesterday. Some yellow neck squash here, cherry tomatoes, Brussels sprout. I'm not expecting too much out of that one. More peppers, more squash, more zucchini, lima beans. My tomatoes are doing pretty well. I have little clusters of them growing right now. I'm real proud of myself for that one. Spinach. Shout out to Beauty in the Garden for the seeds, doing real well on here. More tomatoes growing back here in this bucket. This is the other GreenStalk planter that I was telling you about. I have on the fourth tier collard greens, the third tier basil, second tier beets, and first tier tatsoi. So far, the only thing that has come up, I planted them from seeds this time, and the only thing that has come up are the collard greens. If I don't get any germination within the next week to 2 weeks, then I'll plant them in cells and just put them in when they're ready to be transplanted. Another pepper here. Up here in this one, we have ghost peppers, and they're starting to bloom. Here I have two different types of marigolds, a French marigold and a Hawaiian marigold. My wife likes those, and she likes color, so I decided to put some color out. Here is my green collard green tree. It's doing real well. The one in back of it, this one I'm letting it die because I'm going to use the container for something else, and it is real hard to keep this thing from falling over. So slowly but surely it's dying. In the near future it will have cucumbers growing in it, this particular container. More peppers here. I have a mixture of scotch bonnets, habaneros, and ghost. I have my onions down here. They're coming along pretty well. I have leeks, and these two containers here, they're coming along pretty well. More onions here, and I'm real proud of these. It looks like they're starting to bulb up. And in back of those, I have carrots. At least the greens are getting real big. I'm not sure if I have carrots underneath or not. At some point, bite the bullet and pull some to see. More okra in the first two containers here. Butter crunch lettuce here. More onions in the back. These are more okra. You can tell I love okra. More cabbages in this container. Freckled tongue I'm sorry, freckled deer tongue lettuce here. And last but not least, we have my purple hull cowpeas, and they're growing pretty well. So that's it for now. I'll post again real soon. If you like my little quick overviews, please subscribe. I'm trying to get at least to 50 subscribers. Right now I'm at 32. Thank you and have a blessed day.